In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Adobe Flash Player on Google Chrome, new 2025.net. Start by opening Google Chrome, then go to the Chrome Web Store. Popular choices often include tools like Flash Player for the web or Ruffle. When you find the extension you want to use, click on it to open its page. You can review the description so you understand what it does and how it works. After that, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation prompt before installing it. To continue, click Add Extension. The browser will then download and install the emulator automatically. Once the extension has been added, the next step is to make it easier to access. Go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon. Find the Flash extension you just added, then click the pin icon next to it. Pinning it will place the extension directly on your toolbar, which makes it faster to use whenever you need it. After that, return to the page where you want to view Flash content and reload the page. Refreshing the page allows the extension to activate properly and gives the site a chance to load through the emulator. That covers everything you need to know.